Hello and welcome to our next tutorial. It's all about how to install Joomla in your local host. So first you must have your Joomla installation zip file package and go to drive C and find your XAMPP directory and htdocs directory and create a new directory for Joomla, like for example web 1. So inside this directory you need to paste Joomla and extract Joomla. So the total file size is around 13.6 MB. So once this is done, we will now proceed to localhost database creation. After the database creation, we will now proceed to Joomla configuration or Joomla installation. Okay, so now it's done. So our next move is to create a database. So I'll click Chrome. To create a database, we need to make sure that our XAMPP web application is running, especially Apache server and the mysql server. So green status or green color means running. So to access your XAMPP directory or localhost default page, you just need to type http://localhost and press enter. So a while ago I created a Joomla web folder and Joomla web application files inside. Now I need to create a database from here. This is PHP my admin page. Okay, so I will name a database as web 1 database. So it's here, web 1, and then I will click create button, and my database name is now created. Now I need to install Joomla. So I go to another tab, just type http localhost again and change this into your created folder and press enter. Let's wait. So it will depends on the speed of your computer and memory. So now this is the Joomla page or Joomla installation page. Now let's set up the Joomla configuration now. So web 1 website. Describe this: welcome to my web 1 website. Email is sampleadmin@web1.com. Username is also admin. Password is also admin. Confirm admin, and then click next. Okay, a while ago we created this database name. To see the other database details, just click the server details or address, and you will see the server type, the default username, the default host name. We will be needing this, and the default password is blank. There's no password and a default XAMPP installation unless you created one. So let's go here and let's type our username. Our default username is root. Password is no, meaning blank. Database name is the one we created here, so web1, and our database type is mysql. Host name is localhost, and click next. And now in the third tab you will see none required for basic native multilingual site creation. Just continue by clicking install. But before that, if you are new, I recommend you copy these configuration details. Okay, then click install. Installing Joomla in your local host using XAMPP web application for localhost. Waiting. So congratulations, Joomla is now installed. So the next extra steps is to install language. So if you want to install a local language like Chinese, Korean, you can click this. If not, you can just ignore it and click this remove installation folder, and now you're done. Now to see your Joomla backend or control panel, just click new tab. If you want to see the Joomla front end, click site. So let's see. So this is my newly installed localhost Joomla, and site means public or front end. Administrator means private or control panel, or we call it dashboard. So to try in your front end, type your password admin and admin, username admin and admin. Also in your back end, try to access it. So I'm now logged in my front end Joomla, and I'm waiting for my back end login status. So I'm now logged in my new Joomla installation control panel. So my new address for administrator or private is localhost /web1 administrator /index.php. So if I want to see my Joomla global configuration, I'll just click System, drop down, and global configuration. These are the configurations for my Joomla during the installation. So if I want to log out in the administrator, I will just click this local. Okay, this is the Joomla site settings or global configuration. You can adjust this if you have some wrong spelling, they need to add more. This is the SEO settings, and we are done. If you want to go back to the main dashboard, just click System and click Control Panel. Now if you want to log out in this private area, just click this user icon and click Log Out. So we're done. This is the admin side or the private side. This is also the front end side. Thank you for watching my video, and if you like this video, please subscribe, like and share for more videos to come. Bye.